This is for you if you're a college student, grad student, or professor in any of the disciplines regarding building sciences, architecture, engineering, civil engineering, and the agronomy efforts of industrial hemp. Now, we recently returned from Texas A&M University, where we were invited on campus by their student organization to talk about building and construction using industrial hemp. So this is a brand new industry and there's lots of opportunity, and that means academic pursuits in that opportunity, and that's where the good ideas start. And so we hope you enjoy these two interviews with both the student leader as well as the academic advisor. And then also this is an invitation for you to engage in the industry through the Trade Association of the U.S. Hemp Building Association and the ASTM, where standards are made for building industries. Now, these are both seeking academic participation on the university level, and we hope this opens the door of opportunity for you. Enjoy. All right, I'm Ray Kaderli with the Hemp Build Network, and we're here on campus at Texas A&M University with Clayton Moore, who is leader of the student organization dedicated to research and development of all the emerging industries surrounding industrial hemp. So Clayton, you want to tell us a little bit about the organization, its history, how things came on, because I know you were one of the founding, this is a pioneer, and you were one of the first pioneering spirits to it all. So tell us how that started and then what we're doing here tonight.
Yeah, so this is the Cannabis Hemp Innovation League. I know that could be a mouthful, so chill works as well, CHIL. But yes, I'm one of the founders and I am the president of the Cannabis Hemp Innovation League. I'm also a student researcher in the industrial hemp breeding program, where I'll be starting my PhD this summer. We started this program back in 2022 in January and got fully approved by the University of Texas A&M in the fall of that year. And we've given away over $6,000 in scholarships. We've had over 4 field trips, including 2 more field trips this semester. And we like to invite industry professionals such as Ray in different fields, different niches, such as medical, recreational, extraction, hempcrete, and things like that. And we're gonna have a really fun day today, having Ray lead our meeting. So a student researcher in the industrial hemp breeding program, where I'll be starting my PhD this summer. We started this program back in 2022 in January and got fully approved by the University of Texas A&M in the fall of that year. And we've given away over $6,000 in scholarships. We've had over 4 field trips, including 2 more field trips this semester. And we like to invite industry professionals such as Ray in different fields, different niches, such as medical, recreational, extraction, hempcrete, and things like that. And we're gonna have a really fun day today, having Ray lead our meeting and teaching all of the students about what we're gonna be doing in the with the hempcrete outside, making hempcrete, send everyone home with samples, and kind of spark the youth so that they can start going down this way, so that we can continue to build this multi-billion-dollar market. So.
And that's one of the things that I truly like. Now, we're talking about building materials and hempcrete or hemp lime specifically this evening, and we're going to be doing some hands-on work and interaction here. And one of the things that I like about this industry is just how big it is and how many industries are merging together and how well positioned Texas A&M is in the middle of all that. You've got equine sciences, you've got building sciences, you've got medical, you've got agronomy for these large-scale crops as well as horticulture-focused crops. Tell us a little bit about your preparation and how you went out to those different departments to invite them here this evening, and just how this is a merger, and then how that might be a model for other universities who are wanting to get this type of student engagement and academic research on that level.
Yeah, absolutely. So A&M has the best connection of any university in the entire world, to be honest with you. It's called the Aggie Network. And so all I do is I reach out to all of the advisors for each department, each engineering department, each construction science department, each food science, animal science, the College of Agricultural and Life Sciences, Arts and Sciences, and I send them what we're doing at our meeting, and then I also give them a little flyer so that they could send it out to their students. And almost 80 out of 100% of the time, they actually send mass emails to all 80,000 students that are on campus so that they can know about this meeting. So hopefully we have a really good population of just a diverse range of students. The Cannabis Hemp Innovation League has always been very interested in reaching every single single aspect of the industry and showing that every single student in their own majors that they have a place in this industry. Our very first meeting ever in that fall of 2022, we had over 120 students and there was over 50 different majors in the room. We did a survey and it was just quite mind-boggling to show how much interest from all over the campus was.
So in that conversation, what's your major? There's a lot of different interests, and that's one of the things where the roles that I participate in this industry. I've got my own business, leadership role in the trade association, as well as leadership role in some of the standard settings. And so one of the things that's common throughout is everybody recognizes that university campuses are where the genesis of new ideas often incubates. And so they're wanting to reach out and liaison with university campuses, and we're going to talk a little bit about that tonight. And we just wanted to put that out there as something that anybody in any other academic organization wanting to do that, reach out to us. There's the Trade Association of the U.S. Hemp Building Association, there's the ASTM, and specifically the D37 committee of that organization, and then they're wanting to draw ideas and energy from the university where ideas incubate. And then Clayton, how can people get in touch with you? Is LinkedIn a good route?
Yeah, so LinkedIn's a great route. You can find me at Clay W. Moore, or in the handle it's Clay Hemp. My Instagram is the same, Clay Hemp, ClayHemp. You can find our student organization at TAMUCHIL on Instagram. And you can reach out to me on LinkedIn about speaking opportunities with our student organization and our meetings, potential field trip opportunities if you want to donate for scholarships. You can also reach out to me for our industrial hemp breeding program if you have any interest in investing or any grant proposals. So yeah.
All righty. We'll see you on the next one. Hi, it's Ray Kaderli with the Hemp Build Network, and we're here on campus at Texas A&M University. Now, we spoke with Clayton Moore, the student who's leading this organization, but we want to talk to Russ Jessup, the faculty advisor that's here. And Russ, can you tell us a little bit about the organization from the faculty point of view and how it came into being, and then what some of the activities that's going on? Maybe share some of the positives and the successes, maybe some of the challenges along the way, but just from a faculty point of view, so as others in the academic community are looking on, they can go, oh, hey, I would do that, or I wouldn't do that, or I'd watch out for this.
To all faculty who are considering a hemp club, they are resources. I view them as an extension agent that we don't have for hemp, an extension group to interface with the general community and producers, people like Ray. They are also a resource on campus. They're ambassadors with other clubs, and most of them work in my groups. Some are paid, some are graduate students, some are volunteers. So for faculty, they're beautiful, innovative, hardworking resources.
Yeah, and so we've seen many of the students who are part of this group out in the field, at field trials, at conferences across the country. And so as that leadership effort is cultivated, what were some of the things when you were first putting that student group together, or when you were first asked to be a part of that? How did that genesis take place, and how would that one planting of the seed be something that would take place on other campuses?
3 highly motivated students who wanted to join my program. I hired them as student workers, and their passion led them to want to do more. So they started the club on campus. They wanted to get out there and do things in an academic sense, not just a work and research sense. So finding the right students to form that nucleus was ideal, and then launching them, letting them go. They're self-starters, they're independent, and letting them run as much as I possibly could has been great.
It's a great thing when being a leader, the most important task is getting out of the way and letting people run.
Exactly.
And so that's a very small group. That's, a handful of students, and they can really bring genesis to something that would spread and grow and be something that the industry would seek out, because I know as an industry participant, I've got my own business, I've got a leadership role in the U.S. Hemp Building Association, then there's the liaison effort with ASTM that sets standards in the industry. They're all looking to liaison with academic campuses, and then the faculty and the students in interacting, because that's where good ideas come into place. So I hope this perspective helps someone know a little bit about what's going on in Aggie land, and a little bit what might go on in your neck of the woods in your academic pursuits, and bringing good ideas into the marketplace. We'll see you on the next one. We hope you enjoyed these 2 interviews, and we welcome you to participate and enjoy the exciting industry. You can reach out to me through this platform or my websites. We'll put our contact information up there for you to connect, and we look forward to talking to you soon.